Learn English with Sun English Center.
Unit 1. My bag.
My, what is that?
That is my notebook.
Oh, and what is this?
This is my glue.
What is that over there?
That is my crayon.
I see. What is this?
This is my pencil case.
Listen and repeat.
My, what is that? My, what is that? My, what is that?
That is my notebook. That is my notebook. That is my notebook.
Oh, and what is this? Oh, and what is this? Oh, and what is this?
This is my glue. This is my glue. This is my glue.
What is that over there? What is that over there? What is that over there?
That is my crayon. That is my crayon. That is my crayon.
I see. What is this? I see. What is this? I see. What is this?
This is my pencil case. This is my pencil case. This is my pencil case.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.